Want to instantly find any employee's data in Excel, just by picking their name from a drop-down? Let me show you how to make that happen with conditional formatting. It's quick, simple, and a total time saver. Let's get started. Here's our example. I've created a small employee performance tracker table, with columns for employee ID, name, department, sales, targets, bonus, and rating. And right above the table, there's a box where we'll add a drop-down list. When we pick any employee's name, their entire row will be highlighted automatically. Let's create the drop-down list first. Click on the cell where you want the list. Go to the Data tab. Click Data Validation. Under Allow, select List. In the source box, select all the employee names from your table. Click OK. And look at that, your drop-down list is ready. You can now pick any employee's name from this list. Alright, now let's make Excel automatically highlight the row that matches the selected name. First, select your entire table. Then, go to the Home tab. Conditional Formatting. New Rule. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Now, in the formula box, click on the first cell in your name column, that's where the employee names are listed. Next, press F4 twice to remove the $sign before the row number. That way, Excel can check each row individually. Then, type an equal sign, and click on the cell that has your drop-down list, the one you created earlier. This tells Excel, if the name in this row matches the name in the drop-down, highlight the entire row. Once your formula is ready, click Format. Then go to the Fill tab, and pick any color you like. Click OK, and then OK again. And boom, Excel automatically highlights the entire row for the selected employee. Now watch this. When I change the drop-down from Sarah Lee to David Clark, Excel instantly moves the highlight to David's row. Pretty neat, right? This trick is perfect for employee dashboards, sales reports, or student databases anywhere you need quick visibility. And that's it. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning.